Hi, this is Jackie with the Builderall team. In this tutorial, we are going to look at list management, specifically list data. So we're going to click on create a subscriber list, and we are going to look for the subscriber list that we are working with, and that one is training list. So you're going to hover until you see it opens up that box for us. And then we are going to click on forms, and you'll see there is the list data. And then after you've created your list, you will see all the information sitting right there. You would be able to add different kinds of tags. You can add brand new ones, or you can make use of the drop down and use previous tags that you've created. So you can see I've added training. So to add additional tags, all you need to do is type it in and enter, and then you will be adding additional tags. But in this case, we are only allowing training. If you want to make sure that it's been added, if you go to your subscribers right here, under the segmentation field, if you are going to choose all subscribers and tag, and let's say exist, you will be able to see the tag sitting right there. So if people opted in and they've got that specific tag on a specific list, you would be able to segment your list according to that specific tag. So let's go back to list data. Then we've got the welcome email, which is a very important email if somebody has subscribed to your list and you would like to send them their very first email welcoming them and maybe giving them some added value. Now, if you want to find this specific one, you will need to go to page and emails, and you're going to see there is an area that says emails. You're going to click on that and then click on welcome email, and then you would be able to edit. Let's go back to list data. So if you want to, you can enable or disable it. That's absolutely up to you. You can also choose whether you would want approval for the subscriber landing onto your list. Sometimes people might subscribe and you did not invite them or something like that. You can choose to approve or disapprove. Then we've got enable CRM. That is if you want the CRM to collect the information of where this person is inside of your funnel and where they are going, the different kinds of steps. Then you will need to make sure that you enable CRM. The ranking list is for viral funnel. So if you've created a viral funnel, you would want to come and enable the ranking list so that you can see who is first, second, and third inside of the funnel that you've created. And that is basically list data. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.